Här bakom mig håller det just nu på att riggas av efter en fantastisk konsert. Vi har haft besök av en orkester och kör som är på turné från USA. För 30 år sedan var jag själv med när Ekebyholmsskolan gjorde en oförglömlig körresa till Island och USA på våran turné så att säga. Och det häftiga är att den skolan som vi bodde på medan vi vistades i USA, Shenandoah Valley Academy, det är de som har varit här och framfört den här fantastiska musiken för oss. I heard you were doing some sightseeing.
Yeah. Today we went to, what's the name of the cathedral?
I have no idea, but it was beautiful. It was,
The cathedral. It was gorgeous.
Was it perhaps in Uppsala?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was beautiful. We went there, walked around, looked inside. We went to IKEA. You know, we're in Sweden. We have to go there.
So you don't have IKEA in the US?
No, we do, but like we had to go to the one here, like the original one.
The OG.
Yeah, the OG. Where it comes
Yeah.
from.
Yeah.
So how do you like it here in Sweden?
It's actually really good. The views are like they're to die for. I like the architecture and like the intricacy of the buildings. Is like it blows my mind because like you think people took the time back then to like carve things and like put meaning and detail into what they did.
So are you coming back to Sweden?
I want to because I feel like this entire trip has just been like an advertisement to start living in Europe, like and to move away from the United States because everything here is just so beautiful and I want to experience it.
And then you're here in the beginning of the spring when nothing is green yet.
I
So
want to come back when everything is green. I want to come back for like a summer or something.
yeah, you're very welcome to come back here. And your names, by the way, I didn't.
Alexis.
And I'm Daniel.
Very nice talking to you.